I'm going to show you a traditional recipe. This is my second on a special video. So today's special is Injipuli. This is a very important dish for Onam. I hope you've seen my previous video, banana chips. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you're seeing my very first time, please do subscribe. Come with me to kitchen. We require tamarind, jaggery syrup, chilli, ginger, chilli powder, turmeric, methi seeds, mustard, curry leaves, chilli, Asafoetida. First take some hot water and pour into tamarind. Let it soak for 10 minutes. Now heat a pan. Add methi seeds and Asafoetida. Heat it for some time. Now we need to grind this. Just crush this like this. Heat a pan and pour some coconut oil. Add ginger and chilli. Saute it for some time. In the meantime, we'll take the tamarind juice. Just mash this for some time. Now we take the juice out. Repeat the same process until full juices come out. See, the juice is ready. Now the ginger is salted. We'll put turmeric and chilli powder. Pour the tamarind juice. Now add jaggery syrup. Add little bit salt. Boil until it becomes thick. At this stage, off the flame. Take another pan and pour some coconut oil. Add mustard. add Methi and Asafoetida powder. Now pour this into the pan. Mix well. Now it's ready. The Onam special Injipuli is ready. This is a traditional healthy dish. Please try this, very easy to make. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and share it with family and friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Bye.